Every day, working animals do essential work. Without them, it's harder to carry water, get to school, or grow crops. So whatever the conditions, they keep moving. But eventually, every animal reaches its limit. And that's why Working Animals International is here, to ensure no animal is overlooked. Our teams provide veterinary care, share skills, knowledge and welfare advice, and inspire the next generation of owners. Because every working animal deserves a healthy and valued life. They don't stop. We won't either. Working Animals International.